Chef Daniela. I'm the head culinary instructor here at Miracle Cooking School. We're at Holiday Market celebrating the chef in you. And we're doing this by giving you different tips around the holidays. One of them that we get a question all the time on is how to properly defrost a turkey. So first and foremost, safety. We need to make sure to wear gloves when we're touching any sort of raw meats. And also you want to make sure to defrost any sort of turkey in the fridge. It's really the best place for it. Never on the countertop at room temperature and never under hot water. It takes about 24 hours for every 5 pounds of turkey to defrost. This is an 8-pound turkey, so it's going to take me about a day and a half in the fridge. Make sure that you put something below it to catch any sort of drippings. A roasting rack is a great place for this. When you're done, simply take out the roasting rack and wash it free of any drippings and put your turkey right back in there and it's good to go. So everyone, we will have a full description on how to defrost a turkey on weight versus time in the description section of any social media post.